Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm back from the fantastic Stampin' Up incentive trip, Greece 2019. Wow, I have had the best week ever. I'm going to share the swaps that I received with you, and then on a separate video I'm going to show you all the goodies that we got and the sneak peeks of some of the products, and I can show you the front of the catalogue. You'll have to excuse my nails. I've broken every single nail on holiday and my manicure needs redoing, but I'm back to work today, so it'll have to wait. So the swaps, we do swaps. You can either do card swaps or you can do 3D swaps, and basically it means you get to swap with other demonstrators from all around the world who have been on the incentive trip. So this was my card. I did do a YouTube video on it. It's super sunny here today, so the lighting's not the best. Do apologise, but I'll do my best to share. And so we had to make 26 swaps. 25 goes into the swap and 1 goes to Stampin' Up. They put them all on a board, so you can see them all. And one quick little thing that I will share with you, quick little bit of information that I couldn't share before I went because it was confidential. I actually got to present to all of the fantastic demonstrators in the general session. I did a presentation and I shared one of the new stamp sets and some samples with them. And it was awesome. Alexia did film it, but whether I will upload it I don't know, because she keeps moving her phone about like this, so we'll see. Anyway, cards. Now I love sharing these because they are from all around the world. People, you know, put a lot of time and effort into making them, and I think that we can get great inspiration. And you know, perhaps the ladies and gentlemen have used items that I haven't got. And I haven't got this one, and it's absolutely beautiful. That's the peacock one. So this is from Amy Story. There we go. From Denton TX. Is that Texas? Amy stamps at sbcglobal.net or stampedwithjoy.com. So that's hers, and that is absolutely stunning. I'm keeping them in the wrappers because I'm going to take them to my next team event when I meet up with my team Scrimper, and I'll show them all of these lovely samples. There's another beautiful one, and this is from Rosemarie Coleman from Alberta, and she is stampingwithrose.com. Isn't that lovely? I think that's awesome. And this one is one of my favourite stamps. I love it. This is a hostess set. Super cute. I'm going to have to open it to see who it's from. I want to be able to say who they're all from. There we go. Beck Ross from Australia. I recognise that name. Some ladies' names I recognise, some I don't. I don't know everybody. I've only been a demonstrator myself for 3 years, but I did get to talk to and meet lots and lots of ladies this year who I didn't really get a chance to speak to last year because I was a little bit shy. My shyness was gone this year. So yeah. So we had awesome fun. This one's super beautiful. It's very subtle colours. I love it with the scripter embossing folder there. And this is from Morel Taylor, Sydney, Australia. moreltaylor.com. That's her website. So there you go. And then we've got this lovely one here with the little daisy punched out of it. It's your time to shine. I like that. And this is from Alison Kamitsu. I hope I've said that right, Alison. There you go. I very much doubt everybody will be watching, but you know, I don't like to ruin people's names by saying them wrong. This is lovely. I love it. I really like the scallop top there. And this is from Melissa M. Ellis. Melissa at stampinup.net. There's no separate blog or anything to shout out there, but isn't that lovely? Every single one. There's no two the same. Absolutely, this is really pretty. It looks like, it really does look like textured lace. That's the lace embossing folder. I hope you can see there. But just tilt it like that. The light is very bright. I do apologise. That is really pretty. I don't have that fancy die set there, and that is really lovely. Who's this from? Who's this from? It was awesome seeing all the different samples. Obviously, I've only got a small selection of them. Who's this from? Anna Hubner, Stampin' Annies. So there you go, that must be her team name, the Stampin' Annies. Yahoo.com. I'm not sure where that lady's from. Let's have a look. Celebrating 20 plus years as an independent demonstrator. Wow, that's awesome. That's amazing. So some people, it was their very first incentive trip. Some people have been doing like that lady there, 20 plus years. And so you get a good mixture. It's really lovely, and everybody's got something to share and something to talk about. Robin Scherzner, I hope I've said that right, Robin. Robin's stampinghood.blogspot.com, that's her blog. I love that, with the cow spots in the background. Brilliant. And another Magnolia Lynn. It's super pretty. I never get tired of seeing Magnolia Lynn. It's just beautiful. My camera position's not quite right because I put it away and hid it while we were away, so the burglars didn't have it. And so now I need to mess about with the positioning of it to get it right again. They could take my TV, but they're not having my camera. Oh, there we go. Handmade with, oh, it's from Jambi. I didn't know that. So this is from the lovely Jambi, who of course is a UK demonstrator, like me, is very much a YouTube demonstrator. So that very lovely. I'm lucky to have got one from the UK. So that's nice. Thank you, Jan. Saw Jan quite a few times with her brand new lovely husband because she's just got married. Who's this one from? Simply Incredible. That's cool, isn't it? Martha Armstrong from, where's that from? Staghound. I don't know if that's America. I honestly don't know. Could be. NC. No, is it News NC? I don't know. I'm not going to guess because I'll get it wrong, but that's beautiful, isn't it? With the lovely blues and the lovely, is it? I think it's an iris, isn't it? Beautiful. Another cow, and I really like this. And I like this one because it's quite subtle, but it's cutesy. And I really like this one. I'm assuming it's a Dutch demonstrator. Sylvia Werner. There we go. I didn't know I had one from her. You'll love what she does. So there we go. And then this is a cute one. I like this because it's totally different to anything I've seen. I think it's awesome. I couldn't even tell you what sets these all are, but they're super cute. It's brilliant. With the little, we've got the little wormy there, and he's eating the leaves. He's going to turn into a beautiful butterfly. And that's from Anna Wheaton. Let's have a look. Have we got a blog? nudgeinc.blogspot.com. So there you go, that's where you'll see that lady's work. And this one here, sending warm Christmas wishes. Christmas cards before my birthday. Really? I'm only kidding. Lots and lots of ladies make Christmas cards super early, and this is a very beautiful one, and I really do like that stamp. I think it's lovely. Who's this from? Judy Anderson. judystamps.com. So that's lovely. And we've got another one. Quite a few Christmas cards. So there, that's a cute one with the, it looks like stacked boxes, but it's a snowman at the top. That's lovely. We're going to have to open it to see who it's from. Let's have a look. Oh, beautifully stamped inside as well. Lee Conray, Jacksonville, Florida. So thank you for that. That's lovely. I've still got the ones in a drawer from Alaska. I've still got them. I need to sort them out. And this is a lovely one. You are somebody who makes everybody feel like somebody. That's a nice sentiment, isn't it? And I love how that blue really pops off that burlap there. Tammy Ackerson. tammyackerson.typepad.com. So that's that one. Beautiful. I love that paper. And we've got another one with the lovely little daisy there. That's pretty. And who's this one from? Lynn Dunn. From Victoria Circle, Sussex, WI. I'm assuming that's America. I hope so. Might not be. Could be anyway. And then we've got this one. That's lovely, isn't it? Some nice background stamping there. I like that. Stamping with Jen. So there, she's on Facebook, Instagram. I like this card. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. Stampingwithjen.com. Which is the blog? I'm not sure what the blog is, but it's Stamping with Jen. So there you go. Where's that lady from? Canada. There we go, from Canada. Look at this one. That one's awesome. And that one says Maui 2021. And I am lucky enough to be one of the ones that will be going to Maui. I've earned that. And on the Stampin' Up incentive trip this time, they did tell us where the next one's going to be. So I'll be working hard towards that one. And this one is from Tamra Davis. Have we got a blog? There we go. www.thecardladies.com. So there we go. Not sure where that lady's from. Don't say. So there you go. But that's lovely. This is cute, isn't it? Look at that. Thanks for being a friend, Asaurus. That's awesome. You love it. Who's that from? Stephanie Flath. Wyoming. I think that's obviously America. Is it Michigan? Dazzled by Stampin.com. What an awesome name. So there we go. That's cute. And this is a lovely one. I don't want to open them all because then it'll take me ages to put them back in. Karina Chin, Edmonton. Does that say Canada? Let me just lift that. Yeah, Edmonton, Canada. So that's lovely, isn't it? I like that. And then we've got this lovely Christmassy house again. It's like a house in the woods, isn't it? It's awesome. Who's this one from? Kay Schwab. I hope I've said that correct, Kay. I'm not sure where Kay's from, but that is absolutely gorgeous. Really pretty. I love whatever embossing folder she's used in the background there. See, sometimes you need to look what other people are doing to decide what products you want to buy, because different people, you know, they choose different ones. That's pretty, isn't it? That's ever so pretty. Who's that from? Enjoy your special day. Beautiful. And that is from Create with Cheryl. Cheryl Hamilton. Does it say on the back where she's from? All these fancy business cards. I think I need to invest in some. Here we go. Let's have a look. Oh, she's from Maui in Hawaii. Oh, how awesome. Oh, so if she's going on the incentive trip next year, she's basically staying at home. Oh dear. Never mind. I would go on an incentive trip even if it was just down the road, because it's more than the location. It's the getting together, it's the sharing, it's the inspiration. And Stampin' Up absolutely spoilers rotten. It's brilliant. This is a lovely one. Look how lovely and sunny and bright that is. Just awesome. Kay Smith, Gold Elite from Canada. Brilliant. Absolutely love that. And this one's lovely. I like this. That's not a set, you see, that I would go for, but on there I think it's awesome. It looks really fun, and she's got a suitcase. Look, she's going on a Stampin' Up incentive trip, and it says congratulations on your next adventure. I think that's awesome. Cindy Bargman. Is she from Hawaii? She's from Hawaii as well. How lucky am I? Two from Hawaii. I have to make sure I hook up with those ladies when I go to Maui, won't I? And then this one was placed in a larger envelope because it's a special fold. So the ladies put some tape there, and you basically fold it like that. And it's a TP card. And that's really lovely. I really thought that was nice. It's got a bit squished in my... I did put them in my you know, my hand luggage that I could take on the plane, specifically so nothing would get spoiled. So there we go. Who's this one from? Barbara Art. Let's see if there's a card in. Here we go. Miss Scrap, Odd Barbara. Oh, I think this lady's French, maybe. Either French or from French Canadian, one or the other, I'm not certain. So that's the final card. So those are my beautiful swaps. I will be back at some point, either today or tomorrow, and I'll show you the gifts that Stampin' Up gave us, and also a sneak peek of the new items that are going to be coming in the autumn winter catalogue, because you know, part of the trip is a little bit businessy, where we get to see in advance what's going to be in the new catalogue, so that we can plan how we can share with all you guys, so that you can pick and choose which of the beautiful new products that you'd like to buy. And I can tell you something, it's an awesome one. I'm super excited. So I'm going to go for now, and I'm going to go and share all the new products with my team first, and then I'm going to share them with you guys over on YouTube. So thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you to all of these ladies for these fantastic cards. They are all beautiful, and I do save them. And as I say, I will share them at my next team event, so the ladies can have a really good look. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.